Hey, it's Jody. I have a new process video for Spiegel Mom Scraps. Today I am making a shaker pocket cover for a mini album, and I am using several sequence mixes today. I'm also using the Echo Park It's Your Birthday collection. And I have grabbed a free cut file from paperissues.com to add to my shaker pocket cover. These are pictures from a birthday party my boys attended for a school buddy. This was pre-quarantine, actually not too much before quarantine, to be honest. So yeah, but it was for our buddy Kyrus. He turned 5, and it was definitely a privilege to be invited and attend. He is a sweet boy with a wonderful family. We all had a great time. And I love this Echo Park collection because the colors, I like the primary colors. I think they're fun and festive, cheerful, exactly what I wanted, and exactly what you need for birthday pictures, right? So after I map my photos, the cake is definitely a lot bigger than the pictures, but I was just so excited to be making a shaker pocket that I didn't let it bother me. So I did pull out a 12 by 12 photo pocket just for the convenience of having 2 sides already done. And I use my fuse tool to seal one side. I trim it out, and the fuse tool worked perfectly on the glass mat, in case you're wondering. And here comes the sequence. I got a big scoop of the True Blue. I love those big ones. I think they are so fun, the big giant sequence. And then I grab a little scoop of the blue Blood Grin. And then I just grab a few of the white out. Definitely grab that big one. And then I realized the Let Spark Fly has white in it, so I stopped picking at that one. I really wanted to add that red. So I take a little time to pull out the red, white, and blues, some of the blues and whites. And I finish with all my sparkly goodness. It's so much fun. I don't know. There's just something about a shaker that just makes it a real party. I love it. And now I close it up with the fuse tool. It's really easy to use and so much fun. Give it a good trim, and it is ready. I love it. Look at all that pretty goodness in it. Next, I decide to embellish each of the pictures. Oh, I do pick a little title for the cover. But I love that yellow, the contrast of that yellow on the black and red. So I use that as my title. And like I said, I probably could have redid the cake cut file, made it a little smaller, but I just went for it. Why not? So I put party time as my title. I used that let's celebrate die cut. I just write where we were and what day it was on it. His theme was monster trucks, so it was a pretty amazing setup. She had lots of good things going on. And like I said, I just embellish, simply letting most of the die cuts just do the work for me. Picking out some coordinating colors. And if I would have thought a little better, I probably wouldn't have put all the things in the top left corner. But typical Jody, I didn't think that far ahead. But embellishing was fun. I'm going to use a piece of foam to pop that cake up. And that cute little hooray for you die cut was perfect to go right below them. And there look at that smile. He's such a cutie. I add just a few things to this. I love that rainbow one. I know it is so crooked, but I just go with it. What can I say? And there's a little banner sticker. It was cute. Just perfect for that corner. I also add a present and a little hooray sticker. I mean, it's not a birthday party without several hoorays, right? That's it. I'm not going to do anything else to my pictures. I thought about a few sequins, but I wanted them to shine in the shaker pocket, so I left them. I left it out on my pictures. I gather a few supplies. I get some ribbon, a 1-inch ring. I grab a hole punch. I have no idea why I didn't grab my big crocodile cutter thinger. So, but I make it work. It's not the prettiest, but I get it. I get there at the end. And that's a little punch up. Note, I don't know what it's called. A note punch cover. I don't know. But I did punch a few from some of the pattern paper. And I'm just going through punching holes again. My crocodile would have been so much easier. I really look like I'm struggling. But I finally get there. I get him in the order I want. Put my cover, my little die cut, and all the pictures. Last thing I add is some ribbon. I always think some ribbon or something dangling from the little circle always makes makes it look nice and finished. So I hope you're inspired to try a shaker pocket or mini album. And please head to the store for your sequence and come join Spread the Sparkle in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.